Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Ikramul Haq, welcoming you to my online class. Dear student, how are you? I think you are well. I am also well. Yes, today I want to take a class on voice change. Today our topic is voice change. You know that there are two types of voice in English grammar. Number one, active voice, and number two, passive voice. There are different definitions of voice change, but we can define voice as active voice is a voice in which there is subject is active, and in passive voice object is active. Rules of voice change. If we want to change voice, we have to follow several rules. Number one, the object of active voice will be used. Number two, then we will use auxiliary verb according to tense. There are different tenses in English grammar, such as present tense, past tense and future tense, and every tenses are classified into different types, such as present indefinite tense. If the sentence is present indefinite tense, the auxiliary verb will be am, is or are, and if the tense is present continuous, then auxiliary verb will be am, is, are plus being, and if the tense is present perfect, then auxiliary verb will be have been or has been. In the same way, past indefinite tense, auxiliary verb will be was, were. Continuous tense, auxiliary verb will be was or were being. Past perfect tense had been. Future indefinite shall be, will be. Future continuous shall be or will be being. Future perfect shall have or will have been. Okay, we will use these auxiliary verbs in rule 2. Then we will use past perfect form of main verb plus by conjunction, and last of all objective form of subject of active voice. Okay, these are the rules of changing voice. And objective form, what will be the objective form? Yes, the objective form, such as if there is I, then objective form will be me, he, him, we, us, and if there is noun, then no change will be happened, such as Rohim will be Rohim. So these are the rules of voice change. Now we can practice one sentence, such as active voice, they are playing football. In this sentence, what is the tense of this sentence? Yes, this tense is present continuous. Then we will use football. It is the object of active voice and it will be subject, football. We will write football, then we will use the auxiliary verb according to tense. As it is present continuous tense, our auxiliary verb will be is being. Football is being. Then we will write past participle form of main verb. What is the main verb? Main verb is play, and past participle form is played. We will write played, and then by, and last of all the subject will be changed into object. In this case, subject is they, and they will be changed into them. So the passive voice will be football is being played by them. Now go to another sentence. Active voice, he wrote a letter. What is the tense of this sentence? Okay, it is past indefinite tense, and subject is he and object is a letter. So passive voice will be a letter was written by him. And this way we can change the voice. I think that you've understood my class and it will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.